Okay, thank you for joining me. This is going to be a quick video on searching for a drink within the Bartender's Infinite Knowledge Base, or what we call the Bartender's IKB, from the To Recall system by Jedisof. So you have the one icon there in the middle. We're just going to select that. It's going to take you to the To Recall login page. Once you get to the To Recall login page, you're going to enter your credentials, username being your email, then your password, and select the sign in. The sign in is going to take you to the present day journal or the PDJ. I'm going to turn it horizontal here to where you can see the navigation bar. This is basically just so you get a good feel of what it looks like and what to click on with the 8-inch Android tablet. And this is pretty much what you would also see on your phone. So we're going to go straight to the reference module. And I clicked a little bit hard on there, so we're going to go to the reference module there, which when you turn it vertical is the fourth one down. It looks like a file cabinet. Once it goes into the database, we'll scroll down to the bottom till you reach the search bar. You get to the search bar and you can either type in or you can also say what it is you're looking for, and we're going to go for Captain Hook, and you would just click there for the microphone, but we're going to use the keyboard, and you're just going to hit search, and it's going to bring up the drink that you're looking for, and within that drink that you're looking for you can see over here the details for the drink, and then any other additional details for the user that you want to put in. Let me give you a let's just go Captain, and instead of Captain Hook we'll bring up Captain. That way you can see it with multiple. So we have these drinks that have Captain on them. So what you would basically do is the first time it comes up, it's going to give you the first one. As you can see here is Captain Billy's Kool-Aid, and that's always going to come up as the first one on the list. So we have here Captain Billy's Kool-Aid. The way you would get to the other one is, let's say we want to go to, again, Captain Hook. All we do is select that one, and you can see it's underlined there. And then you scroll down and you can see now you have Captain Hook there. So again, if we wanted to see Captain Hamilton, we just select Captain Hamilton, and now we can see the information for Captain Hamilton. And you scroll down here, and then of course you can go through pages by just clicking on it. And again, I'm going to show you how this looks horizontal view. Again, here's your search bar, and above the search bar, if I can get it to, and we're going to delete this, go search, so we can get the pages, so you can see above the search bar. Again, above the search bar is the list of pages, and there it is vertical. We'll go back horizontal. It's fairly simple, easy to use. You just click in the search area there and type in what you want, and then of course once you get that list, I'm selecting 50 caliber, and then you scroll down a little more, go down to the bottom, and you'll see 50 caliber and the build for that 50 caliber. Again, this is just a quick tutorial to kind of show you what it looks like from the tablet perspective. And you come up here to log out, and I'll show you that again. It's up here, this little profile picture, and you select the log out, and that'll log you out. If you have any questions, please email us.